Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are at job site address 1236 Division Street in Camas, Washington. We are doing a post-video inspection after a descaling of the sewer line. I've gained access through a 4-inch ABS cleanout in the basement located under the stairs. I've pushed out to the city connection at approximately 47 feet. Right now we are in 3034, and I'm going to pull backwards to do my inspection. Here's the city's cleanout located at the curb. Here we transition to what appears to be 4-inch clay. Here it appears we transitioned to 4-inch cast iron. And here we transfer to 4-inch ABS, and this completes our inspection.